Whistling bird, it also talks. It's whistling. It's whistling and talking. Come on, bird. Do it again. Do it again, bird. Mom, whistle to it.
Is your name Jesus? No, I'm on the 135-pound Rottweiler. That's Jesus.
Oh my God.
It was like a long version of a joke. And he tried to convince it and tell me. It was pretty funny.
Come on, birdie. Hello. Hello.
I could imagine if I woke up here every morning with this bird.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Bird want a cracker?
That bird would know how to say everything.
No bird. Let me zoom in more. This is content.
Yeah.
Bird. 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 He's so adorable. Look at him. Oh God, he's staring at us. He's staring right at us. Why are you staring right at us? You're scaring me. Oh. It's whistling. He's staring at me again. The bird's staring right at me. I'm scared. The bird's staring. Content. This is content, alright? It's a bird. Said hello. Ah! Just whistling.
I want to watch it.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Yeah, Pulp Fiction was a great movie.
Hello. Who are you? The bird was just speaking. You can tell the difference. Hello. So I'm just saying hello and hi to it so it can respond. This video is gonna be long. It's just bird. It's a cute bird. Alright, well.
Yeah.
His name is Willis. He's adorable.
Hey, too much. I did too much.
Well, I think I'm gonna sign off right now. Yeah, have an amazing day. Keep that smile. John Eric said signing off. Bye, Willis.